What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video we're gonna be working with Beautyforever hair. I was sent this, I want to say Auburn, then I want to say ginger, then I want to say brown, all that, because you guys see like the highlights of red hair in here, like burgundy. This is fire. It's definitely giving fall, and that's fine because this wig is still hitting. I'm not gonna do the wet look because I honestly want that puffy look to it. Like, I want that natural puffy look. If I want, I can flip it over while I'm doing TikToks and just look good. Nah, but yeah, I'm not gonna do the wet look. I want the puffy look this time, like that natural puffy look. Honestly, y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is a 22-inch wig. I've always wanted to try like short curly hair, so low-key I'm tempted to cut it to about like right here, because I've always wanted curly hair like right here, just a blunt cut curly hair. I want to cut this hair, but then I don't because I love this hair this length. So I might not cut this hair, but I know this hair would hit different like that. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait and see how I feel about this hair. But yeah, I'm loving this hair. It's giving everything. I didn't think the hair was gonna melt like this. Melted, baby. This lace is melted. I didn't think it was gonna melt or go good because my hair is still out underneath, y'all. My hair is still out. I feel like I'm gonna wear my long hair. I feel like I want to wear my natural hair out just a little longer because I want to wear it curly. So my hair is still out and the lace, the install is still flat. So get at me. Install is still flat, y'all. My hair is still out. Tell them stop playing me, put some respect on my name. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I was sent a 22-inch deep wave hair. All the details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 30K. What are you talking about? On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. I'm feeling myself, y'all.